In lesson 83, we're going over the product rule with variables and the power rule with variables. So we've used both of these rules before, where if you're multiplying and they have like bases, you just add the exponents. And then also, if you're dividing and they have like bases, you would subtract the exponents. And if it's a power to another power, you multiply the exponents together. So in the first example, I'm going to combine the exponents for my like terms. So x to the a and x to the a over 2. Now this is the same as 1/2 a. So when I add these two together, it'd be x 3 over 2a, or you could have 3a over 2, and it means the same thing, or 1.5a. Those are all the same. Then we'll combine the y exponents together. So 2a and then 3x over 4. I believe that these are supposed to be the same variable, so let's write that as an x. So if I have these with a common denominator, this would be 8 over 4, and it would have the x. So I would add the 8 and the 3, that's 11x over 4. And that's how we simplify using the product rule. And then in the next example, you can see that we're dividing, so I'm going to be subtracting instead of adding. So I'll have x a minus 2, and then I would subtract this minus a over 2, and this is like a negative 1/2 a, so this would be x a over 2, because 1 minus 1/2 is still 1/2, and we'll still just have that minus 2, and remember that's all in the exponent. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing for the y. This will be y a plus 4 minus 2a. So I have to combine these like terms, so it'd be y negative a plus 4. And that's how we would use the quotient rule. Okay, and then in this next example, we're just using the power rule. So we'll simply multiply the 2 to both the a and the 2 exponent of the x. So it would be x 2a plus 4, and then that would be our answer. Okay, our last example here. First, I'm just going to simplify the top. So I'll have x ab and then y ab plus 2a, because I'm just multiplying the a to the b and the 2 up there. And this is all over x to the negative a. Now I need to add that exponent to this exponent up here, because I'd be subtracting a negative, so that would be the same as adding. So it's going to be x ab plus a, and then we'll have y ab plus 2a. And that will be our answer. So again, we've used these rules in the past, it's just now they're a little bit more complicated, but you're still doing the same process.